and whomever shall be found without the soul for getting down.
Morning folks, it's the Charles Lloyd here on a monumentally busy day, but I'll try and get some adventure in. Marvellous. The Charles Lloyd at the Watermark in Ivybridge, looking at plans of how to redevelop the mill at Stowford. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a tribute to the Americans that were stationed here during the war and fought at D-Day. Wouldn't surprise me if we didn't have a drop of rain. The Charles Lloyd here, not going camping tonight. The Charles Lloyd, practising skateboarding safely at Lloyd Mansions. Marvellous.